back to my channel. So today we're going to be going over my Revlon. Let me cover my address. Dun, 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 I finally got it in the mail. So I was sitting on my lunch break and I've wanted one of these things for a while now. I wanted the Dyson one and it's just $540, so it's not just on a whim purchase, if you know what I mean. So I was on Amazon and I looked up the hairbrush tool. Then there was like a $5 off coupon on top of the already reduced price. So I ended up getting this for $35, $39 with tax. And it came to my house less than 24 hours. So that was a win. And $35 is much easier to come up with than $550 before tax. So this is gonna be my honest review of using the Revlon curler hairbrush tool, whatever it's called. Power of a dryer, volume of a styler. That's a good little saying. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Wow, it's a lot bigger than I thought. I'm actually excited about that because I have pretty long hair. So, but it's not thick. I have a lot of fine hair. That's what my hairdresser tells me. And I hope this works. Okay, so first I noticed that there's little couple of settings right here. There is off, cool, low, and high. So that's probably just how you turn it on. Also, when I was watching reviews of this, a lot of the people just come on with wet hair and use it. However, you gotta talk about what shampoo and what products you're putting in your hair too. So the shampoo that I'm using, that I've been loving, has been the Pureology Hydrate. Shampoo smells amazing. Conditioner, minty. This Hydrate mask smells like you're in Hawaii. Can't smell through the actually you can smell through the package. Very, very awesome. I got these in like a little trio thing from the beauty supply store, but love these. I've been using them. This is my second round of them. Now for products I'm gonna put on my hair, I'm gonna grab a little bit of the Pureology Color Fanatic. And I'm only gonna put like 3 sprays in because in my hand too. And I'm only gonna put in 3 sprays because I'm gonna put other products in my hair, and since my hair is so fine, I don't want it to get that oily finish. And my hair's really dry too, so eek. All right, next product, so it will blow dry faster. It's gonna be my Kenra. I used to thought it was Kendra, but it's Kenra. What a good word. Kenra Blow Dry Spray. Now this stuff is amazing too. I've been using this for probably like 8 years now. Cool. All right, again, that is the Blow Dry Spray from Kenra. I've had this bottle for 2 or 3 years. So this stuff, great, great purchase. And then that is a heat protectant. And then I might also use a little bit of my Long Love My Biolage Styling Thermal Active Repair. Little like half squirt of that stuff. Rub it in bottom of my hair. All right, so I'm gonna brush my hair before I use it because obviously, even though the thing is a brush, I'm gonna have my hair not super tangled. So I'm gonna be using a wet brush. If you don't know what this is, you can find them at Marshall's. They just don't break off your hair as easily as a traditional brush. Like the bristles, they move with it, if that makes sense. All right, now that my hair is fully brushed, I'm just gonna section it off. So I'm just gonna part my hair in the middle. Very loose. Get a nice butt cut in there. Okay. All right, let's begin. So I'm gonna be using this. I'm gonna be fast forwarding it and then we'll talk about it at the end because I think this thing is gonna be loud. I don't know, I've never used it, but we will test it out. My results so far, so my hair is super smooth and shiny, and normally it's completely flat, so it's nice to have a little bit of body to it, a little bit of curl down here so you can't even get the full. And yes, this is all my real hair. That is my finished result. I added a little bit, or I tried to, a little bit more volume here, but again, my hair is so long and so fine that it is hard for it to hold volume unless I put hairspray in it. But when I put hairspray in it, it gets oily faster, so I just avoid that. So overall, I really enjoyed this. There is a slight plasticky smell when you first turn it on. So just turn it on for like 10 seconds, so don't use it, kind of let it pass, and then you're fine. It won't blow up on you, even though it sounds like it's gonna blow up on you. But yes, I would recommend getting this. I know it's 40 bucks on Amazon Prime shipping. Mine came in 24 hours. So if you can afford it, do it! Otherwise, I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below, guys. Leave your opinions and comments on this in the comment section below. Otherwise, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.